Hello guys, I have a spider in this here and say hi. And my spider is looking a bit good. Yes. Look this inside. Yeah. Two sleeps. And go to the back side. And nothing in there. And here's this. And there. Yes. That's my spider now. And my spruce and this one. My farm is the whole face. Check my Roblox computer in the fall into this one. I have to click my videos. Click my videos. You can see my Roblox videos. Yes. I have a launch for composting. See if I was still have a surplus. Yes. And look where's the spider. This one is spider. Yes. Click my comments now. Click my YouTube play button there. And this yes, and then frozen bill by from bills. Okay. Yes, this one. Oh, yes. The freaking yes. Wait. Specific. Yes. And click here. Click my videos. You can see my Roblox videos. Yes. And bye. So check the comments.